Alright, then we'll get into a multi-line technique, example 3 for the graphic projection. So now we're given two views here. This time we're given the top view and then the front view. So we have to construct the right side view. Okay, so start so here. We do the same thing. We're going to give the label 1 and 2 for the two ends, my top and then my front. Extension lines, it's got to be connected 0.1 to 1, 0.2 to 2. Straight, all right? 90 degree, please. Your fold line, the very first one, again, 90 degree to the extension line. Second fold line, 90 degree to the first fold line. You need your ruler. Mitre line, 45 degree. The first projection, because we're drawing the right side, 90 degree, because we have 2 points and we have a slanted slope right there. So 1, 2, go all the way to cross this mitre line. You need that point here, okay, to draw the right side line right there to get the projection from your front view. We draw again 90 degree down to receive, right? Suppose this is your imaginary plane right here to receive the projection from your front view. Projectors right there, lines, perpendicular again, cross, right? Here, cross it, cross the line on the top view. Draw your line, okay? So now we have cloned it, yeah? So your top view, your front view, and then this is your right view, okay? These are all the image, your 2D image, and we're just projecting two different planes. We're given two planes, the top plane and then the front plane, and we're projecting the image on these two planes onto the right plane, okay? And that's how we do it manually by hand. Then erase, okay? So now I'll have, this is my full line, which is going to give you your box, yeah? Border. All right.